Introducing Digital Asset Fund.
Hi, I'm Harry Bloom, Managing Partner of Collins Barrow's Toronto office. Collins Barrow is Canada's 8th largest accounting firm, and as Managing Partner, I'm also part of the deal advisory practice. That deal advisory practice is headquartered here in Toronto and services clients' needs both on buy-side and sell-side M&A transactions and for all capital raising activities. As well, we are members with Baker Tilly International, giving our clients access to our colleagues in 140 countries worldwide. So we are able to access capital whether it be in the US, Europe, Middle East, or Asia.
Digital Asset Fund is a collaboration between Shijin Puyan Blockchain Co., or PBG, and Collins Barrow Toronto Corporate Finance. The objective of this initiative is to launch one or more private funds that will invest in a diversified portfolio of digital assets and cryptocurrencies. Some key attributes of the fund are that the digital assets will primarily be securitized by physical assets. These assets could include existing currencies, real estate, commodities, or other tangible assets. The fund will also aim to provide liquidity for digital asset issuers and investors while establishing strategic global partnerships in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. PBG is one of the first companies in China to embrace blockchain technology in order to create tokens which are securitized by tangible underlying assets. A partner of PBG has also been responsible for the creation of A-Chain, which is a proprietary open-source blockchain platform that has been used to successfully launch two digital tokens known as Purecoin and Ninghong. PBG is also using the A-Chain blockchain in order to launch its third token known as Sendera Ranch, or otherwise known as RET. The proposed structure of the fund is a general partnership limited partnership model, with PBG, Collins Barrow Toronto Corporate Finance, and the fund manager forming the general partnership, and investors being invited to participate in the fund as limited partners. The proposed structure of the fees would be a 2% management fee to the general partners, as well as a 40% profit share after investors have first returned 8% on their investment. The proposed asset allocation of the fund would be 80% in digital assets and 20% in cash. The near-term objectives of the fund are to establish co-investment relationships with one or more fund managers. PBG and Collins Barrow will seed the fund with an initial $40 million in the form of digital assets. And the expectation is that fund managers will assist in raising an additional $50 million in order to seed the initial launch of the funds. Medium to long-term objectives of the funds are to expand co-investment relationships with multiple fund managers and to raise the assets under management of the fund in up to $1 billion US equivalent. Key contributions from PBG with respect to the fund include PBG's exclusive access to proprietary technology which has specifically been developed to securitize tangible assets in the form of digital assets. PBG has already established a network of nodes in China, the United States, and the United Kingdom, and has plans underway to further expand this network into new geographic regions. PBG and Collins Barrow Toronto Corporate Finance also stand ready to seed the funds with an initial contribution of $40 million US equivalent in digital assets. Finally, PBG is ready to assist third parties however necessary in order to market and provide a platform for transaction of digital assets based on A-Chain.
Digital asset fund makes a lot of sense today because institutional and credit investors are now looking for a way to access this new and exciting asset class in a meaningful way. No longer are you going to be restricted to just purchasing $1,000 of one cryptocurrency at a specific time, but now in one investment you can access a whole universe of cryptocurrencies and digital assets professionally managed. What's unique about our digital asset fund is that we've been able to identify fund managers who have traditional fund management experience, meaning that they understand trading strategies and asset allocation. But not only that, these fund managers have also been early adopters of blockchain technology and truly understand cryptocurrencies and digital assets. So we have actually been able to marry the best of both worlds, giving investors a unique opportunity to invest in one place across a multitude of digital assets and cryptocurrencies. Our digital asset fund is not only a unique opportunity for investors to access this exciting new asset class, but it also provides issuers of ICOs, and there are hundreds of issuers of ICOs currently out there, and hundreds of more we should expect in the coming year. We provide them with an opportunity to have a ready source of capital to deploy into their innovative ideas, and we also provide potential liquidity for their investors.
We thank you for your attention and we look forward to your inquiries. Please feel free to reach Ben Gibbons at Collins Barrow Toronto Corporate Finance or Serena Yin at Shijin Puyan Blockchain Co. Thank you and we look forward to working with you.
Our digital asset fund has already identified a handful of very talented fund managers. These fund managers have demonstrated expertise in traditional asset allocation and trading strategies, as well as demonstrated expertise in digital assets and cryptocurrencies. While we already do have a handful of fund managers working with us, we would love to hear from you if you feel that you can contribute to this fund in a meaningful way.